Bella, what are you eating?
Ice cream.
Why are you eating ice cream?
I am.
It's too early in the morning for ice cream.
Yeah.
So why are you eating ice cream?
I am.
Because you're on holiday.
Yeah.
You're going home today.
Yeah.
Where's Georgie? Mummy.
Morning.
Oh, have you broken something? Oh dear. Where did that come from? Cheese.
Alright.